If you have the online banking of Capital One and if you're trying to log into your account, then you're watching the right video because I'm going to show you the exact steps that you need to follow to successfully log in to your online banking service of Capital One. If this is something that you want to learn, then make sure you stick till the end and let's get right into the video. Now either you can log in with the website of Capital One, which is capitalone.com, or you can also use the mobile app if you're doing this on your mobile phone. But for the website, when you open up, you'll be able to see this login page. If you don't see this, you can also click on sign in on the top right. Now from this sign in page, you'll need to firstly type in the username that you created, and in the second box, also type in the password. If you don't remember either of these information, you can click on this link which says forgot username or password. And from here, you can follow these steps and fill in these details to successfully recover your credentials. And lastly, if you want this device to remember your username, the next time you log in, you can check this box. But avoid doing this step if you're using a shared device. So once you type in both of these information, you can click on sign in and you'll be successfully logged in to your online banking of Capital One. So that was a quick and easy video. I hope you guys found this video to be helpful. If you did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.